Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today this video is going to be about the girls make slime. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video and subscribe. Okay girls. Are you girls ready? Yep. Okay, so first you're going to get your, I think, glue. Okay. And then activator. Okay. And then let me get you a spoon. Or do you girls want a fork? We can get a spoon. Okay. Mix around. And also, do you girls want some color? Yeah. Okay. Here you girls go. I got you some colors. How many slimes could we make? You could make 2 each, and then that's all. Okay. Which one are you gonna make? I'm gonna make a sparkly one. Wow. Mixy mix. Okay, I'm gonna make mine a light purple. Okay. Mixes around. I'm gonna make mine a light blue. How was yours turning? Good. It kind of activated. It did? Yep. Ooh. Ah. This is a little bit sticky. Ah. It's not letting me grab it. It's not. Is it really sticky? Yeah. Okay, wait. Oh, there we go. Whoa. Okay, mine is kind of activating. Wait, I just turned mine. Mom? Yeah? I think I kind of made mine edible. You ate it? Yeah, but it's kind of good. Oh my god, I don't think you can eat that. Oh. Just make another slime. Okay. Ooh, I made mine a kind of, cheese color, but I made mine yellow. Wow. Okay, you girls can make another slime. Did you girls just eat it? Yeah. Wait, let me see. Oh, okay, so it's actually edible. Really? Yep, but you girls have to tell me first. Because if it wasn't edible, then that would have been not good. Yeah, we're sorry. It's okay. Ooh, Sissy, look at this slime. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, Mom, I got on my face. Did it get in your hair too? No. Whew, okay. This slime is so fun. Mom, yeah? After we're done playing with the slime, what are you gonna do with the slime? I'm gonna put it in a container so you girls can play with it later or tomorrow. Okay, are you girls done making slime? Yeah. Okay. Let's clean the table a little bit. Making slime was so fun. Yep. Wait, I think I'm gonna make a slime too. Really, Mom? Yeah. Yay. Ooh, can I play with your slime for a little bit? Yep. Ooh, I made mine an octopus. Whoa, that's so cute. Yep, now I'm gonna destroy it. Mine is a little bird. That's not a bird. I forgot what it's called though. Really? Yep. But I think it's a I forgot. Yeah. Okay, girls. We're done playing with the slime. Okay. Okay, girls. Let's go get something to eat. Okay. Tomorrow we could play with the slime. Okay.